Have you ever imagined a life where you can do what you love, travel, and spend time with family without being stuck in a regular job? If that sounds like a dream, you're not alone. Many of us want to retire early and live life on our own terms. But what if you don't have a lot of money to start with? Don't worry, because we're here to show you that early retirement with limited funds is possible. We've broken down the journey into 4 simple phases that will help you build a strong financial foundation and create different ways to make money. If you're excited about the idea of retiring early, remember to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips. Let's begin exploring the path to a brighter financial future. Phase 1. Freedom Figure. The Freedom Figure is the cornerstone of your financial journey. It represents the exact amount of money you need to comfortably sustain your lifestyle without the pressure of a regular job. This freedom figure is like your financial target. Think about this way. Number 1. Basic expenses. Your basic expenses include necessities like housing, groceries, utilities, and transportation. These are non-negotiable costs that are essential for your day-to-day life. Number 2. Lifestyle choices. Beyond the essentials, your freedom figure also considers your desired quality of life. This encompasses activities you enjoy, entertainment, travel, and other personal interests that add value to your life. Number 3. Safety net. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events can disrupt your financial plans. Your freedom figure incorporates an additional cushion to cover emergencies such as medical expenses, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Importance of the freedom figure: clarity and focus. Setting a specific financial target provides you with a clear sense of direction. It's like having a map for your financial journey, guiding your decisions and actions towards achieving your goal of early retirement. Motivation. Your freedom figure acts as a tangible target to strive for. With every financial decision you make, you can visualize how it brings you closer to your desired lifestyle and the freedom of retirement. Smart financial choices. Armed with the knowledge of your freedom figure, you're better equipped to make wise financial choices. Every expense and investment is evaluated based on whether it aligns with your goal of reaching your target within 7 years. Calculating and internalizing your freedom figure is akin to assembling the pieces of a puzzle. It's not just a number, it's your guiding star that empowers you to make decisions that lead to early retirement. Phase 2. Strong Base. Imagine constructing a sturdy house. Before you build the walls or add the roof, you start with a strong foundation. Similarly, when it comes to your finances, Phase 2 is all about creating a solid base to support your ambitious goal of early retirement. Here's a closer look at what this phase entails. Number 1. Paying off debts. Debts, especially high-interest ones, act as anchors that hold back your financial progress. Paying them off liberates you from the burden of interest payments and increases your available funds for saving and investing. Number 2. Building an emergency fund. Life is filled with uncertainties, and having a safety net is essential. Your emergency fund acts as a buffer, ensuring that unexpected expenses don't derail your progress towards early retirement. Number 3. Good credit score. Your credit score impacts your financial opportunities. A good score grants you access to better interest rates and favorable terms when borrowing, helping you manage your finances more efficiently. Number 4. Understanding taxes. Taxes are a significant part of your financial landscape. Gaining a foundational understanding of how taxes work and how to minimize your tax liability ensures that you're not losing unnecessary money. Importance of a strong base. Stability. Just as a house needs a solid foundation to stand tall, your financial journey relies on a strong base to support your goals. It offers a sense of security during times of uncertainty. Flexibility. By eliminating debts and having an emergency fund, you're prepared to handle unexpected setbacks without derailing your progress. Opening doors. A solid financial foundation enhances your creditworthiness and financial literacy, enabling you to seize opportunities and make informed decisions that accelerate your journey to early retirement. Building a strong base may not yield immediate excitement like investments do, but it's like constructing a launch pad for a rocket. It's a critical step for ensuring a successful takeoff and a safe journey toward your financial goal. Before we get back to exploring the next phase, make sure to hit that like button if you're finding this information valuable. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Now, onward to the next exciting phase. Phase 3. Income Streams. Creating a diverse and sustainable income portfolio. Phase 3 is about embracing the role of a financial multitasker. It involves establishing various income streams that collectively contribute to your early retirement objective. Here's a closer look at what this phase entails. Number 1. Main job and side hustles. Your main job provides a consistent income, while side hustles are additional income streams derived from hobbies, skills, or passions. These secondary sources of income add up over time. Number 2. Diversification. Relying solely on a single income source can be risky. Diversifying your income streams spreads out the risk, ensuring that if one source falters, others continue to support your financial goals. Number 3. Passive income ideas. Passive income flows in even when you're not actively working. This could come from investments, royalties, or rental properties. The aim is to leverage your resources to generate income without constant effort. Number 4. Following passions. Exploring ways to monetize your interests can lead to additional income streams that align with your passions, making the process more fulfilling. Importance of multiple income streams. Financial resilience. Having multiple income sources enhances your financial strength. If one source is affected, others can compensate, ensuring a more stable financial journey. Accelerated progress. The more income streams you have, the faster you can save and invest, expediting your journey toward early retirement. Risk mitigation. Depending solely on a job can be risky in a changing economy. Diversification reduces the impact of unexpected changes in your primary income source. Phase 3 expands your financial horizons. It's comparable to acquiring new skills that broaden your earning potential. The more income sources you develop, the more empowered and financially capable you become. Phase 4. Passive income. Imagine having money that works for you even when you're not actively working. This is the essence of passive income. It's like having an army of money soldiers that keep multiplying your wealth while you rest. This phase is all about setting up systems that generate income without constant effort. Here's a closer look at what this phase entails. Number 1. Investment assets. Investment assets such as stocks, real estate, or bonds function like seeds that grow over time. They generate income through dividends, rent, or interest, increasing your overall wealth. Number 2. Leveraging time. Passive income works tirelessly even when you're not directly involved. Your investments continue to grow and generate income, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your financial decisions without ongoing effort. Number 3. Setting up systems. Passive income requires initial setup, but once established, it runs independently. Investment portfolios, rental properties, and other income-generating mechanisms act as self-sustaining machines. Number 4. Reducing active work. As your passive income grows, your reliance on a traditional job decreases. You transition from trading your time for money to having your money work for you. Importance of passive income. Accelerated wealth growth. Just as compound interest amplifies savings over time, passive income accelerates your overall wealth accumulation, bringing you closer to your early retirement goal. Freedom and choices. Passive income provides you with the freedom to choose how you spend your time and where you live. It liberates you from the constraints of a traditional job. Secure retirement. A well-established stream of passive income ensures a secure financial future, even during retirement. You're not solely dependent on Social Security or other forms of assistance. Phase 4 marks the culmination of your financial journey, where your investments and systems begin to bear fruit. It's comparable to tending to a garden. You nurture and care for it, and over time, it flourishes and sustains. And there you have it, the 4 phases that can lead you to an early and exciting retirement journey. Now, here's a challenge for you. Which phase resonates with you the most? Is it the freedom figure, the strong base, the income streams, or the passive income phase? Drop your answer in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful and can't wait to embark on your journey towards early retirement, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. And remember, your path to early retirement starts now. See you in the next video.